Good morning, Bevel traders. So today I just wanted to share with you guys my trade on KPTI. I took this long as an ABCD pattern on the 2-minute chart. So before I get into entry and exits, I'll explain to you what I saw. So on the 5-minute chart, you can see that the first candlestick here on the 5-minute chart, this is actually a bullish candlestick. You can see that the wick on the bottom side is much longer, and on the top side is a shorter wick. So that means that, as the stock went down, the buying pressure brought it right back up above the VWAP. So this is definitely a bullish candlestick, and it had a lot of volume as well. A lot of volume on the bullish candlestick. And the second one, this is more of an indecision candlestick. It does have a taller wick and a taller top wick and a shorter bottom wick. And it's also on less volume, so it means that there could potentially be a big move in the next candlestick. And so I saw it bounce off a VWAP on the 5 at the time, and on the 2-minute looked like an ABCD. So I made this move up from the low of the days here, went up to B, is this level here. On a pullback, you can see it tested VWAP. VWAP was a good support. So, when it closed above on the previous candlestick and looked like it was about to bounce off it again, I go long. This was at 23.43. Stop loss was below VWAP at 23.10. It was about a 30-cent risk. So 60-cent reward. My 2-to-1 is at $24. So you can see I took some partials earlier. These are at the the level. So this is close to the all-time high, the high of the day rather, and this partial was at the 24 whole dollar level, and then these two were just past my 2-to-1, just to take quick profits on this quick pop-up. And I went out a little bit when it showed sign of weakness, making these lower highs, lower lows, and on another pop-up took some more profits, and these are all 20% partials. And one more final pull up, and then the last pop here, didn't have a lot of volume, which means that it could be a reversal. People just sitting on their hands waiting to see what's happening, not a lot of buying. And then on the next candlestick, the volume kind of comes in, and it does start to go down, so making a lower high, and I just decided to get out. So overall, a good trade, and yeah, pretty happy. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll definitely answer them. Yeah, thanks for listening.